Food Reviews with Sags.
Hi, I'm Sags, and welcome to another Food Reviews with Sags. Today, I'll be trying BIBIGOs steamed dumplings. I got these ones from Costco, but I'm sure you can get it at your local Asian market. Now, these come in packs of 6 with a dipping sauce, but I lost mine in the freezer. So today, we'll be trying it with some peanut butter. But for the folks at home, we'll be trying it without it first, and then with the peanut butter. Now, let's have a taste. I've already had some of this, but dumplings good. Now, with the peanut butter. Peanut butter is good. That was my food review on my steamed dumplings. I think that's a buy. This was BIBIGOs or Bibli's steamed dumplings, and it's a buy. If this video convinced you to try some yourself, comment down below. And if you want to decide what I want to have next, comment down below.